Hi there, Hill Climb Racing 2 fans. We're going to race boss level here, Frank, in the mines. And I got a choice to make here. I think I'm going to stay with the wings, the winter tires, and the magnet. Uh, you know what? I think we don't need the magnet. Let's do this. Let's trade the magnet for. Um, let's trade the magnet for the fuel boost. Oops, on this one. Okay, so the reasoning is we're not going to fly past a bunch of gas tanks. I think that we wish the magnet would have grabbed for us, and we don't need them for fuel. So the thing will be hitting them for the fuel boost. So we'll have to hit them if we want them. Got a perfect start here. And we did not win. Okay, two to go. We can get them in two, maybe. Okay, tied up. Let's race hard so we can get the win here. Got a perfect start, which is handy. I don't know how much difference that makes, but maybe something, right? And I think we beat him. Okay, good, 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 good. All right, so we beat Frank in the mines. Boss level achieved. And then it runs us up here to the top of the mountain. I don't know how much you get out of those bosses levels. Is it 1,000 advancement there? 3,000 coins. Past boss level. And gonna move on. All right. Well, thanks for coming along for the race against Frank. I didn't like that thing there where I lost the first race of the cup, but we ended up winning, beating Frank. So thanks for watching and thanks for coming along. And we'll see you in our next video. Please like and subscribe. We want to try to build the channel here a little bit. Thank you much. Bye.